Yes, sir. Here we go. We are back. We are back on live, man. We're back on live, man. We doing live, very live, live, live. We're live. We are live. So today, studying. We're studying here, and okay, what is it? So we are studying and doing something good. We are. What is it? Yes, my friend. School. Pretty good. What is this? Mm, 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 Ten question we are doing here. I have to create a question where we asking. Quick theoretical problem translating for short economy of according to the business entity concept discussed in the video, why the capital record is the language side of the company because the owner is treated as a separate legal entity from its owner because it is not creditor because we have all the simple and answer is this. If a business purchases good worth that much on credit, how will this transaction affect the purchased goods? So our asset increase by 10,000 and the liability increased by so what is the net effect of the company? No, okay. What is the net effect of accounting equation when the owner will withdraw 2,000 अगर 2,000 rupees for personal use? If the owner, what is the net effect of the accounting equation when the owner withdraws this much money? Accounting equation, what effect will it have? So for personal use, that is with the drawing will be deducted from the capital, and for personal use, so deducted from the capital, and the money then it will also deducted from the cash. So at a decrease, capital also decrease. Simple. Three in a row. I was going for how much question you have predicted? 10. I was going for 10 in a row. Let's try. According to traditional golden rules, which rule applies to a personal account? Which rule applies to the personal? Personal means personal means person. Yes, personal means person. Like debit was company, credit was window, debit the giver, credit the giver. I mean, I think this is yeah. This will be my approach. Personal means where um, three types of account: there is a real account, personal account, nominal account. So real account means real all assets Oh, I have stuck in it somewhere. But the real means personals mean I think personal isn't will be the answer. But I'm confusing these two. Um, like personal means personal. Personal, personal, real, real, private. Yes, 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 yes. That means there is a word for the. Yes, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Which of the following is the correct journal entry for the purchase machinery for cash? Machinery. Okay, so machinery account, cash account, or debit machinery account, credit cash account. Five in a row. I'm going 10 in a row. Close. When posting from the journal to the ledger, what does the term balancing of an account mean? Balancing means balancing the debit balance and credit balance, adding the total of them and ensure they are equal. Yep. Finding the difference in the total of the debit side and the credit side. Yes, it also can cause a difference. Closing the account for is over there. Contrary on it is the higher. I mean, E to be the answer because they not always equal. Yes. We can balance carry down and then we go to the balance brought down on the first day of the next accounting period. In bank reconciliation statement, if you start with the cash book balance, how should check issued but not presented? It is a good question. When we are starting with the cash book, debit balance. So our destination book would be passbook. So if check issued means and not presented for payment. Check issued means we have deducted the cash from our cash book because we have issued it. So it means we have deducted from the cash book and in the passbook it is still saying high amount. So when we see high amount we should usually add. So we add. Yes. Since the amount was deducted in the cash book account in the passbook, we add to the passbook, the higher balance. Under the written down value method, how it is annual depreciation amount affected over time? It remains constant, it decreases every year, it increases every year, it fluctuates based on the usage of machinery. Depreciation क्या decrease होता है? Decrease होता है every year. How is the annual depreciation amount will affected? Not increase, it decrease. Asking to calculate the book balance, book value, round value, issue. Find question, let's go. Where are the outstanding expense shown in the column? Like outstanding expenses in the profit and loss and no, in two sides we have the profit and loss account and subtracted from the expense. I said not no, no, added in the expense in the yes and shown in the current liability in the balance sheet. Yes, this fruit we show in the profit and loss account and the liability as in the as in the balance sheets. In the context of account from incomplete records, which formula used to calculate the profit or loss? In the context of account from incomplete record, which formula used to calculate the profit or loss for the year using statement of profit or loss statement of year. The formula for the profit will be the formula of capital, closing capital. Closing capital equal to opening capital um, plus additional capital and plus profit minus drawing. So minus close opening minus closing. Here we have to imagine something like closing, not closing, plus profit minus loss. Like what we can say, closing capital is positive. So when is it positive? It is positive here, negative, negative, positive. So here and here and here. So we have to choose this because it is positive only. In the case of this, then opening will be minus. Yes, opening is minus on both sides, and drawing here will be subtracted here. So we add here drawing. We adding here. That's called the power of visualization, or the power of complete conceptual understanding. To find proper understanding, I just follow the formula without the writing. That's why it's taking time. So let's do it. 100 out of 100 and 10 out of 10, creating a lot. So I want to create more question. Question number will be 10, not 20. And I'll work harder. Let's see what happened. I want to do mistakes. Mistakes are good. Doing mistake is a very good thing you can do here. Wow, you're standing on the absolutely that was that. Since you have solid grasp of fundamental networking, here 20 advanced question that delve deeper into application-based scenario, complex adjustment, GST accounting, multi-step calculation, throughout the class. So now I think I will be good because that's how we think that they are complex adjustment, GST accounting, multi-step calculation. This is the most important thing you can hear. Multi-step calculation and complex. So take your time with these. They require active calculation, sharp concept, application. Let's see how many we have to spend this time. Let's see. So they have created the questions. Let's see where I'm right, where I'm wrong. Goods costing 10,000, market value was destroyed by fire. So I'll take an entry of it. So good costing destroyed by fire. So lost by fire account debit debited the expense of 10,000 to a purchase account as we have good got destroyed 10,000. So the insurance company admitted a claim. Why my it is hitting? It don't hit now. Take some of the rest, count of rest. You can take rest. Take the rest. I mean, honestly, I think I'm training that why it is good. It is what is it is heating. Laptop somewhat heating. I don't like heating. So I think I should turn off the screen sharing so it will be less heating. And um, I think I should turn off the screen. I don't like heating. laptop is heating because I can see screen here. So I'll be adding the screen here. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.